Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in my YouTube channel Maths Academy. I am your maths teacher Afroz Alam sir. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 4, parts and wholes, page number 38, question number 24. Now let's start the question 24. Sunita and Swadesh took 42 minutes to reach the hostel from their school. If they walked from 1/3 of time and went by bus from the remaining time, how many minutes did they spend in the bus? Now let's start the solution. Here given that Sunita and Swadesh took 42 minutes to reach the hostel from their school. Then the total time spent to reach the hostel from their school by Sunita and Swadesh is equal to how many minutes? 42 minutes. Now write here 42 minutes. And if they walk from 1/3 of time and went by bus, then the time spent in the if they walk from 1/3, then the time spent in the walk by Sunita and Swadesh is equal to 1/3 minutes of time. 1/3 minutes of time. Then 1/3 of time, and the given time is 42 minutes. Then we write 1/3 into 42 minutes. How we can solve this? Look at there carefully. We know that in multiply process we multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Then we get 42 1 ja 42 over 3 minutes. After solving this, 42 divided by 3, 3 1 ja 3, 4 goes to 3 is 1, we just take 2 is there, and 3 4 ja 12, 2 goes to 2 is 0, 1 goes to 1 is 0, it means that cancel out. We get 14 minutes. Now How many minutes did they spend in the bus? How many minutes did they spend in the bus? Then we write then the total time spent in the bus by Sunita and Swadesh is equal to total time is 42 minutes minus and getting time is 14 minutes, then we just write there 14 minutes. After solving this we get here is 2 is less than 4, then we just take 1 borrow from 4 and 2 makes 12 goes to 4 is 8 and we get 3 is here, 3 goes to 1 is 2, we get 28 minutes. It means that then the total time spent in the bus by Sunita and Swadesh is equal to 28 minutes. This is your answer. Question number 25. Pooja studied science for 1/2 hour and English for 3/4 hour. How long did she study? Now let's start the solution. Here given that the time taken for study science by Pooja is equal to 1/2 hour and the time taken for study English by Pooja is equal to 3/4 hour. Then the total time taken for study by Pooja is equal to, in this question we have to add the given fraction. Now we get 1/2 hour plus 3/4 hour. We can write again 1/2 plus 3/4. Here 2 and 4 are not same, then we just take LCM between 2 and 4. We know that 4 is divisible by 2, then we take 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. Similarly we take 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2. Then LCM is equal to 2 into 2, 2 2 is 4, 4. LCM is 4. We know that 2 2 is 4, then we multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator parts. We get 1 into 2 over 2 into 2 plus 4 1 is 4, then we multiply by 1 in numerator and denominator. Then we get 3 into 1 over 4 into 1. After multiplying these, we get 2 1 is 2 over 2 2 is 4 plus 3 1 is 3 over 4 1 is 4. Look at here carefully. Here is 4 and 4 are same denominator. Then we just take 4 as denominator and add this 2 plus 3. We get 2 plus 3 is 5 over 4. We know that this is an improper fraction. Therefore, we have to change an improper fraction into a mixed fraction by division method. We just take 5 divided by 4. 4 1 is 4. 5 goes to 4 is 1. And we can write 1 whole 1 over 4. 1 whole 1 over 4. Then the total time taken for study by Pooja is 1 over 1 whole 1 over 4 hour. Question number 26. A man travelled 24 whole 2 over 3 kilometer by train and 45 whole 5 over 6 kilometer by bus. Find the total distance he travelled. Now let's start the solution. The distance travelled by train is equal to 24 whole 2 over 3 kilometer and the distance travelled by bus is equal to 45 whole 5 over 6, 45 whole 5 over 6 kilometer. Then the total distance travelled by man is equal to, we just add given fraction. Now look at here carefully. 24 whole 2 over 3 kilometer plus 45 whole 5 over 6 kilometer. Then we have to write (24 whole 3 over 2 over 3 plus 45 whole 5/6. In this fraction, firstly we have to change given mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Now let's start. We just multiply 3 times 24 and add 2. Similarly, we multiply 6 by 45 and add 5. Then we get 3 times 24 plus 2/3 plus 6 times 45 plus 5/6. After multiplying this, we get 3 4 12, carry 1, 3 2 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 2/3 plus 6 5 30, 30 of 0, carry 3, 6 4 24, plus 3 is 27, plus 5/6. After adding this, we get 2 plus 2 is 4 and 7 just take here, plus 0 plus 5 is 5 and here is 7, here is 2/3 and over 6. Here, look at here at denominator place. 3 and 6 are not same. Then we just take LCM between 3 and 6. 3 and 6. 6 is divisible by 2. Then we take 2. 3 is not divisible by 2. Then we just take there 3 and 2 3 is 6. Now 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3. Then LCM is equal to 2 into 3, 2 3 is 6. We know that 6 is divisible by 3. Then we get 3 2 is 6. Then we multiply by 2 in this fraction. Then we can write 74 into 2/3 into 2. It means that we have to multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator for finding the same denominator. And here we know that 6 1 is 6, therefore we multiply by 1 in numerator and denominator part. Then we get 275 into 1/6 into 1. Now we multiply these, we get 2 4 is 8, 2 7 is 14 over 2 3 is 6 plus 275 1 is 275/6. Now look at here, 6 and 6 are same denominators. Therefore now here 6 and 6 are same denominator. Then we just take 6 and we add 148 plus 274 is there. Then we get 148 plus 274 After adding these, we get 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 of 3, carry 1, 4 plus 7 is 11, and plus 1 is 12 over 2, 12 of 2, carry 1, and 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4 over 6. Here we know that 6 is divisible by 3 and 423 is divisible by 3. Then we can write this fraction in simplest form. Look at there carefully. 3 1 is 3 423 divided by 3, 3 1 is 3, 4 goes to 3 is 1, we just take here 2, 3 4 is 12, and we just take here 3, 3 1 is 3, we cancel out, we get after dividing by 3 we get 141 over 3 2 is 6. Here we get 141 over 2. We know that this is an improper fraction. Now we have to change an improper fraction into a mixed fraction by division method. Then we just take 141 divided by 2. We know that 2 7 is 14, 4 goes to 4 is 0, 1 goes to 1 is 0, it means that cancel out. We just take here is 1, we just take here is 1. We know that 1 is less than 2, then we just take 0 times 2 zeros are 0, 1 goes to 0 is 1. Then we can write this fraction into 71 over 2. This is your answer. It means that the total distance traveled by man is 70 wool 1 over 2 kilometer. This is your answer. Now here is question number 27. Radha deposits rupees 1200 on Monday in her account. She withdraws 2 over 3 of the deposit money on the last day of the week. Find the balance money in her account. Now let's start solution. Here given that Radha deposit rupees 1200 on Monday. Means that the total deposit money in Radha's account on Monday is equal to 1200 rupees. The total withdraw money by Radha's account on the last day of the week, last day of the week is equal to 2/3 of deposit money, 2/3 of deposit money. Deposit money is equal to, here deposit money is 1200, then we can write 2/3 of 1200 rupees. Now we know that in multiply process we multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator, then we get 12 to the 24 and we just take double zero is here over 3 1 the 3 rupees. How we can solve? Look at here carefully. 2400 divided by 3, 3 at the 24, 4 goes to 4 is 0, 2 goes to 0, it means that cancel out and we just take double zero is here. Now we obtain 800 rupees. Then then the total balance money in her account is equal to, total deposit money is 1200 and withdraw money is 800, then we get 0 goes to 0 0, 0 goes to 0 0, 2 is less than 8, then we just take 1 borrow from 1 into 2 makes 12, 12 goes to 8 is 400 rupees. Then the total balance money in her account is 400 rupees.